today we'll talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Sonic app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click in this sign, it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on account, so then it's gone. When you click on account, it's going to take us to this list, and you click here on profile, so then it's going to take us in this list, and you click in this camera here, so then it's going to show for you this list, and here can you upload from phone library. You just click on it and it's going to take you to your photos, and you choose picture you want to add on your profile, and here can you take a new photo on your with your phone. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.